home. Okay, good afternoon. I'm Nestor Spider Alcala. Welcome back to my second video on IORESS water. But before that, I would like to show to you our research. This is all about negative ions. The benefits of negative ions in terms of our immune system, health aspects, and all other health concerns with regards to our body produced by negative ions. In here, this is the additional research that we can provide to you if you want. This is the copy of our research, also with negative ions effect on human body, even in the cancer cells and all other diseases. Okay, this 3 bottles of water here is actually drinkable. Okay, we produce it only 3 weeks by our KRIA IORESS machine. We already produce a drinking water. Why do we produce drinking water with saturated negative ions? Because, as we have said, negative ions give so much benefits to our body, okay, to our immune system. But the problem is, how do we administer it to our body? How would our body can acquire the negative ions, which is very beneficial in terms of immune system and other health benefits? Actually, this is drinkable. In the opening, you saw me drinking this water. I will drink it again for you to convince that I'm drinking this negative ion water. I will drink it again. So this is one way of administering the negative ions through our body. By oral drinking, you can take the negative ions inside this bottle, inside this water, to help your body develop the immune system and other health benefits. Now, another way of doing this, you can see this humidifier. We put in also negative ion here that I want you to see. Oh, it's still working even with the lights. But turn off the lights so that they can see how many negative ions are present here. Try to turn off the lights. Okay, the red line that you can see is the presence of negative ions emitted by this humidifier. Even if you see you can see that. So that this room will be saturated by negative ions, which is very good for those viruses, pathogens, and bacteria that present in the air within this room. Okay, can you open the lights? So how to administer it is the simple. You can inhale 5 seconds, then you release it 7 seconds. That's the correct way of inhaling negative ions through humidifier. Okay? Now, we have the oral, we have the inhalation. Another inhalation can be done with the use of this nebulizer. Okay? What is a nebulizer? It's a different from the humidifier because it emits, we use, what do you call that? Salbutamol and other medicinal water before it will be used as inhaler. Now, we already put here some amount of negative ion water that I will show you that I can readily use this. Can you turn off the lights again? You see that even nebulizer can emit negative ions. The line that goes through is the proof that they emit also negative ions. Okay, open the lights. I will use it. So instead of buying other chemical products of BC, we can only use negative ion water. It is already the same function. We can get oxygen, good for the people who have asthma, problem of shortness of breath, and other problems in respiratory field. Okay? Slightly off the light. You can see. Okay, turn it off. So those things that I presented to you in this video is just an initial test. How can we help people with COVID-19 problems? Whether you are positive or not, you can take this water orally and then prevent your body from infection, because according to our research, negative ions can boost our immune system, can boost the function of our antibodies. So, by taking it orally, or maybe by nebulizer, by humidifier, or one thing, in crucial, for example, in one patient that is critical, we can make a water saturated with millions of negative ions through intravenous like dextrose. So yung dextrose po, di ba? It's made of sucrose, glucose, etc. But here we can make a different type of dextrose that can carry the negative ions, the oxygenated blood through your main body organs, okay, like the brain, the heart, and the lungs, in very quick, quick response of by the brain. You can easily transmit it through our arteries to the brain in less than 10 seconds. Okay, so bear with us. This is the initial test for COVID-19 victims, or maybe, okay, cut mo na. Pwede na lang i-edit doon.